In this video, I'll show you how to use Napkin AI to transform your marketing data into professional visuals for your reports. To get started, I'll select the blank napkin option to open a new, clean workspace. Here, I'll type out the key metrics for my campaign performance overview, including our reach, engagement, and conversion rates, along with our strategic roadmap for the upcoming quarter. Once the text is in place, I'll click on the Generate Visual icon located next to my content to let the AI analyze the data. A variety of AI suggestions will appear on the left side of the screen, allowing me to choose the specific visual style I want for my report. After selecting a style, I can browse through the different design layouts within that category to find the one that fits my data best. Now, I can start editing the visual exactly the way I want. I'll click on the text within the graphic to update the font to a more professional style and adjust the overall sizing for better clarity. To make the chart pop, I'll click on the elements to change the colors. I can even ungroup the visual, which allows me to move individual parts freely and change the color of specific bars. Like switching this primary metric to a vibrant green. When the report looks exactly how I envisioned it, I'll go to the Share menu at the top, select the option to export as a PDF, and click Download. This gives me a high-quality, ready-to-use marketing report in just a few clicks. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI for marketing reports.